What's up, you guys? Grizzly here again. I want to get more into stocks today. Okay. More so, I was talking about assets and whatnot, and stocks are what I like to go to. You can go to whatever you want. Today, I'm going to particularly talk about stocks. We're going to talk about what to invest in, what stocks to look at, and what should you pick. You know what I mean? A lot of people ask me what kind of stocks should I get, what company should I look for, and I tell them, well, it all depends what you're looking for. Do you want high growth or high dividend, or do you want both? You can't always get both though, and so you have to trade off on some. But I'll name a couple companies off top that are fucking high growth. All right, Tesla, Google, Apple, and you'll see how high their stocks were versus how low they are right now, and you'll see the big difference. So another thing with stocks is you have to pay attention to the economy. An example was when COVID happened. Well, when COVID happened, everything was down, right? So it was a perfect time to get in. Good one to invest in, which who would have known was the healthcare sector. Because why? Everyone was going to the hospital. They need to get, their shots or whatever the fuck it was that they gave, the COVID vaccine or whatever. So who went up? Moderna, J&J, those companies that give the shots and shit, all the healthcare sectors. Who else went up? Well, think about it. We were at home a lot, right? We couldn't go anywhere. So who would go up a lot? Maybe like food service companies that deliver food, right? Because we couldn't go to the place and get food. Well, we could, but some people would be scared to go to the store and get food, right? So they have it delivered. Or like movie apps like Netflix and video apps like YouTube probably went up tremendously, and Square, all that digital payment shit. All right, other examples of paying attention to the economy. Another one would be when Russia invaded Ukraine. Okay, if you'd have known that happened, as soon as that happened, would have been a good time to invest in oil. All right, because oil stocks went up hella high. As you know, gasoline was hella high. Another example is when the analysts come out with the fucking report for jobs, like they did a couple days ago. They said the job reports are good, jobs are solid, low unemployment is low. Therefore, the feds are going to have to raise rates again coming in November. That's another thing to pay attention to. When the feds are raising rates, when their meetings are, that shit affects everything. You will notice that the stock market will either drop or rise, during these times, or earnings of certain companies. You know what I mean? Or if a company says the earnings not going to be as much, that's a time to look, and you will see what happens. Like FedEx, for example, they dropped like 40 to 60 points overnight just off telling people that the earnings were going to be low.